Adut Salva Kiir take new role as presidential envoy for a special program. The Vice President and head of the economic cluster, Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, met with Adut Salva Kiir, the new senior presidential envoy, for a special program to talk about how to put into action project started by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. During the meeting, Dr. Bol congratulated Adut to her appointment. He said it showed the president trust in her ability to serve the people with care and responsibility. He promised that his office would fully support her work and call on other government offices and citizens to do the same. The Vice President also praised Adut's past work in humanitarian and community service, saying it prepared her well for her new duty. He expressed confidence that she will help bring real change to the life of South Sudanese families. On August 26, 2025, Adut met Upper State Governor General James Kwang in Juba. She assured him that Upper will be part of the upcoming special program. Governor Kwang welcomed her warmly and said he supports her leadership. He described her appointment as a chance for young people to lead the nation. Speaking on SSBC, he said, "This country has been liberated and now it is the time for the youth to work. We are proud to support them as elders and fathers." The governor also promised to work closely with her and look forward to her visit to Malakal, the state capital. After taking a rest at the State House, Adut said she will focus on education, health, tourism, and hospitality. She explained that these services are important to close the gap between leader and the people. She said she represents women, youth, vulnerable groups, and those whose voices are often ignored, while recognizing that leadership is not easy. She promised to work with respect, integrity, and professionalism. She also welcomed advice and even criticism, saying it would help her grow in her new role. Adut added that real celebration will come when promises turn into real achievement. The celebration will come when we open a hospital, when we build a school, or when a clinic opens. That is when the people will feel it, she said. On her first day in office, Adut also spoke about the growing number of South Sudanese returning from Kakuma refugee camp in Kenya. Many are leaving the camp because of food shortages, reduced aid, and poor living conditions. She told the returnee that her office is open to support them as they rebuild their life. "We want to give you services that restore your dignity. You are welcome to reach out to us at any time," she said. Authority in Greater Capoeira confirmed that many returnees are crossing into eastern Equatoria through Nadapal. Lawmakers in the National Parliament also raised concern and called for urgent support, including transport and basic aid for families arriving on foot. Adut Salva Kiir's new role as senior presidential envoy comes with high expectation. Leaders across government have pledged to support her work, while citizens and returnees look forward to real services that can improve their daily life. Her focus on education, health, and humanitarian support mark the beginning of a new chapter for South Sudan special program.